Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The chairman of ARC Manufacturing, Norman Horn, says the company is not shutting down. He says ARC Manufacturing is a separate company from ARC Systems. Earlier this year, a creditor of ARC Systems made an application to the court to wind up the company. ARC Systems sought advice from its attorneys and business consultants in relation to the matter and opted not to contest, but rather to go voluntarily into liquidation process. The decision was made because ARC Systems had not traded for more than 6 years. Seprod has announced that it will be exiting the sugar industry and is now exploring growing coconuts instead. CEO of Seprod, Richard Pandui, made the announcement at the recent launch of Surge Island Dairy's new processing plant at Bog Walk in St. Catherine.
We have not finalized all the details as yet. However, we most likely will be planting coconut, intercrop with cassava and sweet potato. Now, one of the revenue stream from coconut is coconut water. We'll pack it right here in this facility.
Meanwhile, Agriculture Minister Audley Shaw has charged the Coconut Industry Board to spend a portion of the $10 billion it has in the bank to expand the coconut industry. He says the investment is an integral part of meeting international demands for coconut and its byproducts. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $132.60. The Canadian dollar is going for $98.33. The pound is now selling for $165.21, while the euro closed the day at $149.84. On the stock exchange, the JSE index gained 26 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 41 points. Among today's winners were Medical Disposables and Supplies, Honeybun, Iron Rock Insurance, iCreate, and Jamaican Teas. Now, among the losers were CAC 2000, 9.5%, Sterling Investments, Pulse Investments, 138 Student Living, and Knutsford Express Services. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.